Welcome to Kitchenesia, where we bring you the best in modern kitchen design. Today, we're diving into stunning industrial small kitchen designs, a perfect blend of raw textures and sleek finishes. Get ready to explore unique layouts, bold materials, and smart space-saving ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring kitchen designs. A compact industrial-style kitchen stands before us, where the rugged charm of exposed red brick walls meets the sleek elegance of matte black cabinetry. Stainless steel countertops reflect the warm glow of industrial pendant lights, their Edison bulbs casting soft golden hues. Above, open metal shelving lined with rustic wood planks holds a carefully curated selection of copper pots, ceramic dishes, and spice-filled glass jars. A black subway tile backsplash adds a striking contrast, while a central island with a reclaimed wood countertop anchors the space. Black-framed glass cabinets and a vintage-style metal range could bring depth, making this kitchen a perfect blend of raw and refined elements. In a darker, moodier take on industrial design, this kitchen embraces deep gray concrete walls and sleek black cabinetry, exuding an urban sophistication. The brushed stainless steel appliances glisten under the glow of strategically placed black track lighting. Open shelving, crafted from black iron and reclaimed wood, showcases minimalist dishware and metal storage containers. A raw steel countertop houses a deep black farmhouse sink, its high-arched matte black faucet adding an extra touch of modernity. In the center, an island with an aged wood top and metal piping base doubles as both workspace and dining area. Black-framed industrial windows flood the space with natural light, softening the bold, industrial aesthetic. This stylish industrial kitchen takes a monochromatic approach, where white subway tile walls set the stage for black metal cabinetry and a polished concrete floor. An efficient layout maximizes functionality, with a stainless steel countertop and a hanging pot rack repurposed from industrial pipes. Factory-style pendant lamps with a weathered finish add a nostalgic touch, illuminating the space with a warm, inviting glow. Wire baskets and vintage storage tins adorn open shelving, providing easy access to everyday essentials. A distressed wood breakfast bar with metal legs brings a rustic balance to the bold black-framed glass partition, which subtly divides the kitchen while maintaining an open, airy feel. In a loft-inspired setting, this small industrial kitchen exudes warmth through its aged brick walls with a light gray patina. Black steel cabinets with mesh door fronts introduce a touch of raw elegance, while dark soapstone countertops enhance the moody aesthetic. A suspended rack made of repurposed metal pipes hangs overhead, holding an assortment of kitchen essentials. Under cabinet LED strip lighting adds a modern glow, emphasizing the textures of the space. The floor, clad in black slate, complements an island crafted from butcher block and steel framing. Blending vintage industrial elements with contemporary efficiency, this kitchen achieves a timeless yet innovative atmosphere. A unique approach to industrial design unfolds in this compact kitchen, where deep blue lower cabinets contrast beautifully against a raw concrete wall backdrop. The thick reclaimed wood countertops add warmth, creating a welcoming yet edgy ambience. Above the stove, a metal vent hood with an aged patina serves as a bold focal point. The backsplash, arranged in a herringbone pattern with subway tiles, introduces a layer of sophistication. Exposed copper pipes cleverly double as towel racks, while distressed wood flooring enhances the rustic character. Neatly arranged glass jars, ceramic bowls, and antique metal containers sit atop open shelving, balancing functionality with visual appeal. Dark, moody, and effortlessly stylish, this modern industrial kitchen makes a dramatic statement with its black cabinetry, exposed concrete walls, and brushed stainless steel countertops. The backsplash, a geometric masterpiece of matte black tiles, adds depth and intrigue. Centered in the space, an island built from weathered steel and reclaimed wood serves as a multifunctional hub, complete with built-in storage and seating. Floating metal shelves display an artful mix of kitchenware, subtly illuminated by a sleek black track lighting system. Underfoot, oversized gray tiles with a worn texture enhance the industrial aesthetic, while bar stools with metal frames and distressed leather seats bring the look full circle. Here, an urban industrial kitchen takes shape with exposed steel beams, charcoal gray walls, and open pipe shelving. The countertops, made of brushed metal, extend into a waterfall-edge kitchen island that serves as both a workspace and casual dining area. Overhead, a ceiling-mounted pot rack, crafted from reclaimed iron, suspends a selection of industrial-style cookware. The lighting scheme features vintage pendant lights with aged brass finishes hanging from a dark wooden ceiling. A wall-mounted spice rack made of wire mesh and reclaimed wood enhances functionality, while the rich tones of dark stained wood flooring contrast beautifully with the kitchen's cooler industrial elements. Refined and sophisticated, this industrial kitchen pairs black and brass cabinetry with concrete countertops and open shelving illuminated by integrated LED lighting. The exposed brick wall infuses the space with character, while a custom-built steel-framed glass partition provides a seamless flow between rooms. Large, matte gray tiles form the backsplash, adding a soft yet striking texture. The reclaimed oak flooring, with its weathered finish, offers a warm contrast to the industrial materials. At the heart of the space, a kitchen island crafted from blackened steel and reclaimed wood houses built-in storage, and a prep sink with a brass faucet, tying together function and style. With a well-planned L-shaped layout, this industrial kitchen maximizes efficiency through its concrete countertops, charcoal gray cabinets, and exposed ductwork on the ceiling. A vertical stack of white subway tiles forms the backsplash, providing a crisp contrast to the darker elements. Black metal-framed glass cabinets display a carefully curated selection of dishware, while open-pipe shelving adds extra storage. A compact island with a distressed wood top and black iron base serves dual purposes: a workspace and a dining area. Overhead, hanging Edison bulbs encased in industrial wire cages illuminate the kitchen, while a mix of polished concrete and dark wooden planks completes the flooring. A bold all-black kitchen embodies industrial minimalism, featuring matte black cabinetry, dark concrete countertops, and steel accents. The walls are finished in textured plaster with deep gray undertones, adding a raw yet refined edge. An oversized steel range hood dominates the space, making a powerful statement. Open shelving, composed of black iron and reclaimed wood, holds a selection of minimalist dishware and vintage industrial canisters. In the center, A kitchen island with a thick live-edgewood countertop becomes both a prep station and a dining hub. Sleek industrial track lights and hanging filament bulbs enhance the dramatic effect, making this space a striking blend of function and artistry. A warm take on industrial design, this kitchen combines rustic wood cabinetry with exposed red brick walls and black steel accents. Polished concrete countertops provide durability without compromising style. A floating metal shelf runs along the backsplash, offering easy access to kitchen essentials and vintage decor. In the center, an island made from reclaimed barnwood features a waterfall edge, doubling as a workspace and social hub. Overhead, antique bronze-finished industrial pendant lights cast a warm glow. The distressed hardwood flooring ties the space together, softening the rougher industrial elements with natural warmth. This industrial kitchen pushes boundaries with its raw concrete walls, blackened steel cabinetry, and thick reclaimed wood shelving. Stainless steel countertops offer a seamless, high-functioning surface, while the oversized hexagonal tile backsplash introduces a modern twist. A black metal-framed glass partition separates the kitchen while preserving openness. The island, constructed from solid steel with a butcher block top, serves as a robust prep area and casual seating zone. Overhead, a cluster of Edison bulbs encased in metal cages adds warmth, casting a moody glow that enhances the bold, industrial character of the space. That wraps up our journey through 12 breathtaking industrial small kitchen designs. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Kitchenesia, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest kitchen design inspirations. See you in the next video.